Same. Adjective. Not different or other, not another or others, not different as regards self, selfsame, identical. Are you the same person who phoned me yesterday? I realized I was the same age as my grandfather had been when he joined the Air Force. Same. Adjective. Similar, alike. You have the same hair I do. Same. Adjective. Used to express the unity of an object or person which has various different descriptions or qualities. Round here it can be cloudy and sunny even in the same day. We were all going in the same direction. Same. Adjective. A reply of confirmation of identity. Same. Pronoun. The identical thing, ditto. The same can be said of him. It's the same everywhere. Same. Pronoun. Something similar, something of the identical type. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.